Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this quick video we'll show you what's in the box with the Kestrel-1000 waterproof wind meter. The Kestrel-1000 is a reliable, accurate wind meter, enabling users to measure current wind speed, average wind speed, maximum wind gusts, all while on the go. In the box there's a user guide. For a video walkthrough of the manual, see the video link in the description. A certificate of conformity, a Kestrel sticker, and the Kestrel-1000 wind meter. The meter features a hard case and adjustable lanyard, a 1-inch user replaceable impeller, a large LCD screen, 3 buttons, there's a button information sticker on the back, and the battery cavity, which comes with a pre-installed CR2032 battery. For more information on the Kestrel-1000 features, how to get started, how to view measurements, and more, see the video link in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.